This last week has been incredibly humbling and jarring for our community. Our families, friends, neighbors, and fellow Southwest Floridians are hurting beyond words. Hurricane Ian stands to be one of the most devastating storms in Southwest Florida's history. We stand at a crucial point today in which our community needs help, and help that NorthStar Technologies can provide. It is our deepest obligation to help our community rebuild and heal. The owner of NorthStar has been working diligently since the storm to put together a highly qualified group of construction workers that are offering remodeling, building, renovations, and remediation. We are fully equipped to help any homeowner that needs anything. No job is too big or too small. NorthStar has already partnered with insurance companies to use the exact app that the insurance companies use so that we can circumvent a lot of the calls and the waiting games that you guys might already be experiencing. This actually gives us direct access to both the homeowner and the insurance company. Again, just kind of circumventing the process and making it as simple for the homeowner as possible. For more information on how NorthStar can help you, see the details below. And please know, we are Southwest Florida strong.